morning and welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today is Thursday and I am getting ready for the day. George is getting the boys ready for school and I'm just doing my makeup and getting dressed. I've been up since like 5:45. I've been editing a video and just trying to be as productive as I can be. I thought that we would start a new vlog today and hang out over the next few days. I don't really have anything exciting going on, and this is why, okay, I feel like a broken record because I have been talking about my imposter syndrome over the last few months over on Instagram, and I have been struggling with a lot of imposter syndrome. I don't know why. It's been really hard for me to get out of this like creative rut, and I just get in my head and I think, oh, nobody cares about the Spain life anymore or whatever. So then I just don't pick up the camera. But I know that a lot of you guys still like to watch, so I need to remember that and get over this. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see how crazy I look, but I can only imagine how crazy I look right now. I'm just adding my Eastin tinted sunscreen. It's my favorite. I absolutely love it. I'm in the shade light, so if you're ever in Spain, make sure to get anything from this brand. I like the regular sunscreen too. It's so good because it doesn't burn my eyes, and I have very sensitive eyes, so definitely pick it up. And if you want to get a tinted version, get this one. Not sponsored at all. I was just thinking, I haven't flown in a year. I think at the end of this month it's going to be a year since I last worked a flight attendant trip, which is insane to me. I can't believe it's been that long. I definitely miss flying. I'm not gonna lie to you. I miss flying. I miss the lifestyle. I miss waking up and going to work, waking up in a hotel and just being with other people. I definitely miss that. Definitely do. But I'm enjoying my time off here in Spain and just adjusting and being with my family, and I'm so glad that I was able to get leave. That way I don't have to worry about dropping my trips every single month, you know? So that's a plus. But I'd be lying to you if I didn't say that I missed flying. I do. I really do. So especially when I see like my friends flying and just going to new places and stuff like that, I definitely miss it. And it makes me want to go back, but I can't until February 2026. And I don't know if I would take another leave. Like if they offer another leave, I would probably, I don't know. I haven't even decided if I would take it or not. So I guess I'll keep you guys posted on that or updated and see what ends up happening. Weather has been really nice. The weather here in Alicante reminds me so much of California, which is why I love it here so much. The weather is just perfect. Like, it's very chilly in the morning, so you still need like a little sweater or something, and then in the afternoon it gets hot. So the plan for today is to take the boys to school, and then I have to go to crochet class today, and I want to go to the farmers market because there's a farmers market on Thursdays around here, and I want to go and buy some olives and pepinillos, and I should probably get eggs because there are so many good deals with the eggs there. But I just bought some. I just bought a 24 pack. But you can buy like 30 eggs, like large eggs, for like $5, which is really cool. You guys are a little crooked. Let me fix the camera. There we go. I've got my maxi skirt, a tank top, and my Crocs sandals. They're so comfortable. Let me show you guys what I made. I'm so proud of this one. If you've been following me on Instagram, you know that I was making this little market bag. I can't believe that I made this. This is so cute. I love the colors. I love everything about it. So anyway, I'm gonna get the boys ready and then get our day started. Just dropped off the boys at school. I decided to walk to my crochet class. It's about a 15-minute walk, so I figured why not just get some steps in and a little bit of an exercise in today. So I might stop and get a coffee and like a pastry or something just so that I have something in my stomach. But I'm excited about this crochet class because there's a project that I really want to finish and I want to get it over with because I've been working on it for way too long. Crochet. I'm about to meet up with George right now. We're gonna go to the farmer's market that is going on right now. It goes on every Thursday and Saturday. And I'm just gonna go pick up some olives, maybe some plants. I don't know, we'll see what we find. The farmer's market, it was hectic. It was so full, so I couldn't really vlog, but let me show you everything that I got. I ended up getting 20 eggs, and it was like $4.70, something like that, for 20 eggs, which is not bad. It's a big carton of eggs. And then stopped by a little stand that had fruit, and I got some oranges because I'm gonna make my wellness juice, the ginger, orange, and lemon with cayenne pepper. So I bought some stuff for that. Look at how big this lemon is. So I got this, and where's the ginger? Oh, here's the ginger. And the mangoes are like perfect. You have to eat these like today. So Leo and I will go with these. We'll go in with these because they're so good. These were 2 for €1. Mangoes are so expensive here. I have seen them for like 13 euros. I've seen them for 4 euros. It just depends where you go. So I thought it was a good deal to get 2 for 1. And then 2 plantains so I can make plátano frito, which is like a Central American dish that we eat with beans. And oh, the last thing I got, my olives. These are without seeds and they're spicy. So they're really good. I can eat these in one sitting, so I have to be careful. But I'm gonna relax for a little bit. I'm gonna hang up some clothes actually, and then I'm gonna go get the boys. Good morning, it is Tuesday, and this weekly vlog just took a turn. We got word from our landlords that they are in town and they wanted to come and say hi to us. So we wanna make sure that the house is presentable. We pretty much keep the house clean, you know, but we wanna make sure that it's just looking a little extra better so that they have that peace of mind that whoever they rented out their place to takes care of it. So we're going to meet them today for the first time. They don't live here, so we finally get to meet a year later. So we're going to do some cleaning. If you guys remember when I used to do cleaning videos back when I lived in Texas, and a lot of you guys really like them, and I haven't done those in a while. So today's gonna be one of those. So, all right, let's get to cleaning. I'm actually going to be watching a few cleaning videos for a little bit of motivation. That usually does it for me while I drink my cup of coffee. The boys are in school, so George and I are going to tackle down this house and deep clean it. Good morning. It is the next day. We're getting ready to take the boys to school right now. The meeting with the landlord went great. It was just pretty much us getting to know her and her getting to know us, just to, meet. But everything went great. So George and I don't have anything going on today, so we're gonna go to the beach while the boys are in school. So let's go. Kids are in school. We just got off the bus. We're going to the beach. We're at the beach getting a tanning my back now. George is in the water, but I'm trying to be careful with what I record because it's very normal for people here to walk around for women to walk around topless. So I want to make sure I don't get anyone out of respect for them. But the sun is bright and shining. I can feel myself getting a tan. And also the water is kind of cold, but it feels amazing. I can't believe that we live here, I just can't. And it's crazy that we're in the Mediterranean too, I don't know, just thinking out loud. So the beach was so much fun. I'm putting on some tinted sunscreen, that's why I look a little crazy right now, but it was so much fun. I'm so glad we went to the beach. We definitely needed that time to ourselves. I crocheted, we got in the water, which is so crazy to me that we were in the Mediterranean Sea. I grew up going to the Pacific Ocean, and now I live by the Mediterranean. It's so crazy to me. I still can't believe we live here. But after that, we came home, we took a shower, washed my hair, blow dried it and everything, and then my in-laws offered to go pick up the boys from school. So then they came over for a little bit and we were just hanging out, just talking, catching up. And now I'm getting ready because I'm gonna go meet up with a friend, and then we're gonna go to Elche, which is a little town here in Alicante. And we're gonna go to our yarn store, which I'm really excited about because I've always wanted to go to this yarn store ever since I got into crocheting. But you need a car. It's a little hard to get there by bus. Like, it's not that easy. So she's gonna drive us there and we're gonna go. I don't really need any yarn, but I want to work on something for my mom. So actually I kind of do. And there are a few things that I want to pick up while I'm there. The boys are fighting, so if you hear Leo crying, they're just like play fighting. So I'm really excited to go. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but my eyes are so red because I wear my contacts to the beach. And I can't see without my glasses, so I decided to put on my contacts, but I can't wear contacts for some reason now. My eyes really hurt. So anyway, oh, wrong brush. Where's my brush? Okay, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna finish getting ready, hang up some clothes, take the bus to meet up with my friend, and then we're gonna go to Elche. Okay, so we're at the yarn store. They have so much yarn here. It's crazy. I need to be careful because I want to buy everything. And they don't just have like crochet stuff. They have knitting, they have sewing, so many different things. So I'm so excited. Good morning. It is the next day. I was so tired last night because of going to the beach and just like the type of day it was. So I came home, took a shower, and went straight to sleep pretty much as soon as I got home. I ended up getting like a couple things. I didn't get much because I got a little bit overwhelmed with everything. There was so much. It was like yarn heaven. So it was perfect. So let me show you what I got. I ended up getting this yarn from Katia. Katia is a Spanish brand, I believe. So I got this metallic pink yarn so that I can make a purse out of it. Hopefully like a little handbag. We'll see how that goes. And then I got this really, really pretty one from the brand Mondial. This is made in Italy. Bora Bora. And look at these colors. How pretty are they? I'm going to make a top for the beach. Something light, something see-through. We'll see how that goes. And then I ended up getting 2 hooks. I got a size 3.0 and a 4.5 in the brand Clover. I really like this brand because it's very good. I love the hook. and I like how I can hold it. It's just very easy, and they're pretty affordable. They're like $4 something. I also like the brand Tulip, but they are a little bit more expensive. They're like $9 something. So, you know, those are just the hooks that I've been using. But that's it. After that, we went to have some ice cream. I got pistachio with mint chocolate, and it was delicious. And then just came home. So now I'm on my way to crochet class. It's the last crochet class of the month because I have my family coming over in June. My mom's coming. I think I have a friend coming over. So I'm not really going to be going as much. We'll just probably meet up for coffee and then crochet something together. But yeah, it's the last class of the month of May. I can't believe it's almost June. We have to renew our visas, by the way. So I'll probably keep you guys updated with that. I don't know how much I'm going to share because it's like really complicated and I kind of want to focus on it, but I can't believe that time is coming again. So we'll talk a little bit more about the visa later. So I'm going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know what kind of videos you guys want to watch. Get me out of this imposter syndrome so that I can start making videos again and feel a little bit more motivated and be more on top of it. Let me know what you want to see. Let's put our brains together and work together. Make sure to also follow me on other social medias, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.